1, 2, 3, let's get it. Never met another that could do it like I did it. First things first, I secured the bag. I'm so fly and my jet don't lag. I get to the bag.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's a long day, so I thought I'll film it. I have so many things to do. I have to finish my workout, and then I have to go get my hair done. If I have time, I have to get my nails done. I have to pack, and I hate packing, and it's quite entertaining for people, so I thought I should vlog it. Right now, as you saw, I am sitting with my morning stack for my pre-workout and my coffee and my sabza pani for digestion and stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna now drink my coffee, have my pre-workout while I finish the book I'm reading right now. I'm all set to go and work out. Look at my muscles, my musculars are amazing. Anyways, now I'm just gonna go and I'll pick some loha. Training session. Now I'll go back and get rest of things. So I've taken shower and everything. Now I'm eating food. I'm eating aloo ka parantha, and yes, you can eat everything if it's in your macros, and I end up eating everything. And again, it's portion control. I don't go crazy. Like, I'm not eating 3-4 paranthe, one parantha, which is like 60 grams of carb. Chundu sa butter hai. That's about it. Time for me to do the worst job on this planet, and that's packing. Where am I off to? अगर वो मैं इतनी immediately बता दूंगी तो मज़ा कैसे आएगा मतलब. And किसका event है? Someone really popular in India, like really popular. So this is option number 1. The second option is this. Option is this. Again, great outfit. You know what's the best use of ChatGPT? You sit with ChatGPT and start talking about stuff you need for the trip and ask them to make a list, and they'll just do it. Almost packed my stuff. I was so very sleepy, but I have a dance class in a while. I had to go to get my hair blow dry, but then I realized I'm gonna work out tomorrow at the beach. I'm going for some frisbee class. बाल बहुत खराब हो जाएंगे, so I might as well do that tomorrow because I have to leave for the airport around 2:30. I can easily go and get my hair blow. I ended up ordering a coffee for myself, and I can gladly say this coffee sucks. Never order from Tuscan Coffee. Grab a good day. No, it made my day worse. Done with our dance class. We'll go and finish our packing. And we'll have no packing anxiety today. Love how DJI में colors कितने सुंदर आते हैं. Look at the sky. And it's literally like 8:30 p.m. The video's so clear. So excited. So Bird Eye just sent me a lot of activewear, and you'll see them somewhere in the vlog. They're so amazing, and I gotta get new I just really get super excited to get. I love it. Wake up really early tomorrow, and I am calling it a day. In today's side quest, I went to play frisbee. It's 9:44 a.m. Now I'll quickly like take shower, get ready, have my breakfast, then I'll go for the rest of the tasks. Got back from my hair and my shoe pickup. Now I'm gonna just quickly do my makeup, and I have an audition to make, and then I have to film a reel. It's 12 o'clock and I have to leave for the airport at 2 o'clock, so I just have like 2 hours for all this, and then I have to wrap up my packing, and then I have to eat and leave. The makeup are almost all the packing is done. Legit no traffic today. The airport was empty. ये लड़का फिर आ गया.
जो कोई सच्चे दिल से याद करता है तो मैं आ जाता हूँ.
मैंने तो नहीं किया. I am on a different flight. My friend is on a different flight. Right now, hardly slept, and I'm on my way for an event. Hardly slept. It's like I don't even know what I'm saying right now. I'm so buffering. I woke up at 5 a.m. पूरी रात में नहीं सो पाई. There's an event happening right before the main event, which is of peak state. Short workout session. I have to go for that. This is what I'm wearing. I'm very cranky. I swear, I'm so cranky. Really, I should have been doing yoga somewhere there. I can't avoid it. I'm just very sleepy. Are you bitching?
Just gonna give numbers because there are only 6 bags.
We are going for a warm-up. Shit, my rest day.
and I pushed.
That was fun.
Yeah.
CrossFit workout.
Playing frisbee for God knows what reason.
I wrote a poem.
Anshul, say hi to my vlog.
रियल में हुआ था
अंकिता
हमारे साथ.
अंकिता तो इसको बुलाते हैं.
तो हाँ अंकिता say hi to my vlog.
I'm actually Angela. This guy calls me Ankita.
Everything is so
Hi.
real.
Say hi.
Hi, Hanga. I'm seeing her after forever.
Yeah, like
literally, I'm seeing her after Splitsvilla.
No, we
Yeah.
met after that.
Where we
We
met after
we
that?
bumped into parties or something when I used to party like
नहीं एक ही
Yes,
बार मिले थे हम.
एक या
वो
दो बार.
एक ही बार मिले थे हम. वो right after Splitsvilla था. इधर ही था. I think it was in Delhi
What
only.
if you end up saying something?
We've never met after that.
Really?
Yeah. We've never met after that. We've never crossed paths after that because you were, I think you moved to Mumbai or something. I don't know if you moved to Mumbai.
Yeah, I'm still in Mumbai.
After you, I was in Bangalore. I moved to Mumbai
हमारे यहाँ ना
5 महीने पहले. उसके बाद तो we've not met.
Put it wrong.
Let's take a picture.
How was it?
Everyone.
Where are we going?
पहले खा लो ना. This such a
Such a dick, man. He's such a. I've come back to hotel and I'm so sleepy. I'm gonna take a nap and then get ready and leave for the event. No, before that I'm gonna eat something and then leave. I'm all ready. This is the fit, as I said.
हेलो.
Hello.
हाँ जी मैम.
भैया आप आ रहे हैं?
हाँ मैम आ रहा हूँ. गेट पे रुका हुआ हूँ. ये पर्ची काट रहे हैं ना. ये बस 200 मीटर पीछे हूँ आपसे.
ठीक है मैं फिर नीचे उतर रही हूँ. ठीक
Hour 45 minutes, which I probably mute 40 minutes off because I just can't be bothered. They're talking among themselves. I'm like, just give me the compressed package at the end. I can't be bothered with so much detail.
On the stitching also, because stitching में इतना hectic नहीं लगेगा because it's all stitched.
I'm doing the walkthrough, and then when I'm walking through, I'm behaving like a fan because I'm not seeing these products myself, and that's what happened today.
When I see somebody dating my toxic ex, I was there.
है. The shoe. Got done with the event. So tired. I'm gonna go to the hotel, check out, and leave for Khatri's house because I want घर का खाना.
Get to the bag. You ain't about your bag, better get up